Let's talk under eyes. Puffiness, hollowness, or dark circles. When we go into the store, we usually will find one eye cream to combat mostly everything, but that cannot be really working, right? This is part 3 of my under eye series, and in this part we will talk about under eye hollowness. Under eye hollowness is basically when you have like a dent under the area right here and you feel like there's loss of volume. Most of the people would run and buy a super expensive eye cream or even go in with fillers. I would like to recommend you a better and sustainable solution. You have a ring muscle around your eyes, and certain muscles in general in our faces are overused or underutilized. And this muscle right here is actually oftentimes underutilized. So it is basically almost atrophied, and then the skin under your eyes basically falls down. What to do? In order to strengthen that area right here, you can start with facial exercises. So you can really engage this muscle right here to make it stronger, and therefore the skin, which is attached directly to the muscle, appears more plump. One amazing exercise is this. You strengthen the muscle right here by doing that. But only doing one exercise will not move the needle. So have a look at facial exercises at allyoucanface.com, because there you will learn to work out your entire face and really help that area to improve.